chocolate. I like chocolate. I really like chocolate. I choose a bar of milk, dark or white, which I dip in my hot chocolate, then I take a bite. Then for dinner, chocolate pudding with chocolate sauce, and for tea I eat a full-size chocolate horse. It takes milk and lots of sugar and some cocoa beans to make a gooey double triple chocolate chip ice cream with chocolate hundreds and thousands and 27 flakes, not to mention chocolate muffins, brownies, biscuits and cakes. I like chocolate. I really like chocolate. Just one bite and I feel alright. I like chocolate. I like big bags of chocolate bars and sacks of chocolate stars. When the last few crumbs hit my tongue, I just gotta get some more from the store. I can't stop spending money in the shop. People say pack it up, pack it in, but I need chocolate everything. I've got a chocolate dog, he likes to stay indoors. He never wants to play, he just likes licking his paws. I've got a chocolate cat, I like to give her a cuddle. When she curls up by the fire, she wakes up in a puddle. I like chocolate. I really like chocolate. Just one bite and I feel alright. I like chocolate. I'm chocoholic. I'm chocoholic. I'm chocoholic. Well, it's a 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, Choc. I think it's time I opened up my own chocolate shop. I'd like to visit Mr. Willy Wonka's factory and make all his Oompa Loompas work for me. You know that lately I've been wondering how my chocolate's made, so whenever it's available I buy fair trade. Some say I'm chocoholic, but I just can't stop. I'm gonna rock the shop until my tummy goes pop.